Today we're going to explore sound. I have a big question I'm trying to answer. How is sound made? When you hear a musical instrument play, such as this violin, how are the notes created? What's happening here? Why can we hear that sound? And what about when we speak? I can hear my own voice, but where does the sound come from? Put your hand on your throat and now hum. What do you feel? Do your fingers feel a vibration? Inside your throat are your vocal cords, which is also called your larynx. This small tube vibrates when air crosses it, which creates the sound of your voice. But what do I mean by vibrate? A vibration happens when something moves back and forth very quickly. Look at this ruler, for instance. I'll make it vibrate. See if you can hear the sound it makes. Now let's watch that in slow motion. The ruler shook back and forth very quickly, and when it vibrated, it made a noise. Now let's look closer at the violin. This instrument makes noise when the bow moves against the strings and makes them vibrate. We can see the string moving as the bow rubs against it. Another way to see the vibrations of sound is with a drum. When I bang on this drum, we hear a sound. Now let's try to see the sound that I'm making, just like we did with the violin. I'm going to put some grains of rice on the drum head. When I tap the drum, watch the rice. You can see the vibration of the drum in the way the rice is moving. Can we make the rice move without tapping the drum? Let's try to make a loud noise travel through the drum. I'm going to blow into this straw kazoo. Let's see if the noise from my kazoo makes the rice move. Notice that I didn't blow air onto the rice to make it move. If I had done that, the rice would have blown towards the edge of the drum. But instead, it vibrated. It bounced up and down and shook. I blew my kazoo onto the drum head, and my vibrating kazoo vibrated the drum, which then vibrated the rice. I'll put a link for the directions for making your own straw kazoo at home in my video description. You can try making your own sound vibrations at home, just like this, with all these ways that we tried today. And you can experience sound with your eyes as well as your ears.